This is the farm that I had bought for $5,000. Okay, got a giant workshop on it, right next to a really big pond. Yes, I'll eat your chicken feet this afternoon. Oh yeah, we're gonna suck all the meat off the bones.
So what is wrong with that? I'm not gonna be like everybody wants.
Morning, Bella. Bella. It's a must to have coffee in the morning, guys. What a cup? Yep. Straight ahead is Linton Hot Springs right here. There we go, guys. Some local durian on the tree. About 5. What a cup. Yep, so we're here at my store, my provider, my fungicide provider. He's just helping someone else, so I'm gonna take a seat and wait.
พืชจะปรุงอาหารละเช้านะโมนี่
Okay.
เช้าพืชจะกินอาหารเพื่อไปปรุงละ
Okay.
ถ้าตอนเย็นไม่มีความหมายเนี่ยตอนเช้าดีนะตอนเช้านะครับ ตอนเช้าตู่ก็ได้ ก่อนดวงอาทิตย์ขึ้นแต่ตัวนี้คุณสมบัติพิเศษเขาคือไม่ต้องรอแสงแดดถ้าเข้าปากใบเสร็จปุ๊บสามารถซึมซับเอาไปใช้งานได้เลยมันเป็นโมเลกุลเล็กไม่รับรองได้ 100%ยิ่งกว่าแช่เย็นเลย อันนี้ได้5 ถังแล้วใช่ไหม
Yeah, so they're going in depth on what we're buying here, but actually what I'm buying now is a sort of a spray on fertilizer for the leaves, so I can get more leaf growth and just kind of might boost the tree a little bit. So that's what we're picking up here today. This is where I bought my first farm. Not exactly, but it's right where that cloud is between those two little ranges right there. So right where I'm pointing, that's where my farm is. There it is. Oh, I've got chickens too. All right, guys, so this is the farm that I had bought for $5,000. Okay, got a giant workshop on it right next to a really big pond, and it's low right now. And I built this house right here. So this is my first homestead in Thailand. Hope I'm not getting everybody dizzy, but I've got durian on it, and today I'm going to show everybody what to look for fungus, because I have fungus out here and we're going to treat it today. I'm going to show you guys how to treat it, how to look for it. Okay, so while I'm going to find these trees in the back, we're going to go to the back of the property. Here's my warehouse I had built. But again, guys, this is like almost 6 acres. And it's all next to this lake. And I got a river too coming in. And I mean, I got it for a steal. $5,000. I mean, you can't even think about buying land this nice, that cheap. So, all right, guys, I'm on the back side of my property here. And you can see this tree in front of me, which is yellow. And look at the clear difference from the one next to it that's green. So I've got some up here that have fungi issues. And the way you look at that is, look at your tips. Kind of not growing, stunned, kind of dying off. Okay, your top's gonna be curled over. You're gonna have an issue like that. And then your leaves are gonna look yellow with dots. See these dots I've got growing on here. So look at that all through there. I've got a tree here that has some type of root fungi going on, and it's stunning its growth. Now, what also could be the problem is that it could have a pH problem too, a pH imbalancement. So we look at both of those when we see a tree like this, especially when you can just walk right next to it and see this tree, as nice as it is. And yeah, this one here, you know, look at that top. So something's happening. What 5,000 can get you over 10 years ago, guys. I know you're kicking yourself, unless you bought 10 years ago with me. But yeah, it's quite inexpensive back then. Not today. So I'm bringing you guys back to my other end of my property. So I'm on the other side of my property here, the other corner. Just beautiful, guys. Yeah, we used to come over here when my kids were here, my oldest boy, and we'd come down here and we'd go swimming in this pond. Hey, so I have a question for everybody, and leave your, I really want your guys' opinion if you made it this far in the video. I think you like the place. But yeah, so I'm thinking about making my house an Airbnb, you know, set it up. So I don't stay here anymore, but it's really nice. It's got a really nice teakwood home on it. And I mean, I make it Airbnb, or if someone wanted to come up and visit the farm, I could put you guys up in here. Could be an option, but it's pretty cool up here. We're only about a 10-minute drive, or yeah, about 8 to 10 minute drive away from the hot spring. So if you stayed here, you could visit that hot spring, and you'd have all this around you. And depending on the year, you know, we've got a lot of flowers on the mango trees, and we get bananas. I got bananas all around here. And it's got tremendous views. So if you wanted to come up for the weekend and spend a couple days, or longer or whatever, or just a night, you could do that. But this is it. Got a bathroom downstairs, and upstairs is where you'd stay. It's a big studio, teakwood, wood floors, finished off real nicely. And downstairs is another room. So if there's a group of you, you know, somebody can stay downstairs too. I got a bathroom and kitchen downstairs. And look, I got bananas growing. It's all in the front here. Bananas, mangoes, got lychee trees, lummi trees, got it all. I've even got pineapple growing. And I got an awesome view. Imagine having a beer just kicking back here. All right, guys, so the way to mix this up, all right, is what you want to do is this one bag is good for 400 litre. And so you want to go ahead and mix up in 400 litre, and the amount you put around each tree is just a bucket load, okay? Just a normal 1 gallon bucket. Go ahead and just pour it around each tree. If you pour a little bit more than that, it's okay. And you've got to do this 3 times, but you got to wait 7 days to 10 days in between, okay? And when you're done with that, you should be good to go, and that fungus should go. So if you want to do a preventative on your farm, this is what you do. I did it to my outside farm, and when I do it to this farm here, I'm going to go ahead and even put it on the trees that are green, just in case, okay? So it's just a preventative, and then there we go. Then we'll solve the problem. So do that, guys. That's how you do it. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little bit more of the farm, and that's going to be the end of the video. Until next time, we'll see ya.
เอาอีกแล้วเฮลี่วิดีโออีกแล้ว
Yes, I'll eat your chicken feet this afternoon.
เอาวางไว้ตรงไหนจะ
Okay, this afternoon? Oh yeah, we're gonna suck all the meat off the bones.
เดี๋ยวจะไปดูต้มทุเรียนก่อน